love my chickies. These guys, oh, they're so cute. They're so funny. We call them our tweenies. And we just brought them home about a week ago. Not even a week ago. Because before we could have them outside, they have to have all their feathers. So they've been in care with my kids and grandkids, taking care of them. We have 22 of them here right now. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. And then we've got another 17 that'll be coming home in about another week. They should have their feathers and they'll be here too. So what we do, I am so excited that more people are wanting to get chickens so that they can have eggs. And what we do is all of our chickens here are cold hardy because it gets cold here. And I also checked into which breeds are the best layers. That's what we want, eggs. So all of these black and white speckled ones are barred rocks. They're good layers. They lay brown eggs. And then the one that's stretching her wing here, and that kind of white and brown one, we also have golden comets. I've never had them before, but they're supposed to be really, really good layers. This one right here with the white, she'll be turning. We have golden or speckled Sussex. They laid a brown egg with little specks on them sometimes. This one right here, the second one over, is a Easter egger. They lay blue, green, pink eggs. We have numerous Easter eggers and they all look different, but that one is really cool looking. We also have Rhode Island Reds. The white ones are Leghorns. These are all good egg producers. So if you want eggs, do your research and see which kind of hens that will work really well for your climate, because some work really well. Again, ours are very cold hardy, and you might want to have some hens that do well in desert climates and tolerate the heat really well. So just check and do a little bit of homework first. But I love them. They all have their own personalities. They're so funny. They're just so funny. And I can't wait to get the other ones up here. I just love it. So we'll have 39 altogether, and they should be laying. I also got, checking them out. She's the guard dog over all the hens. It's quite funny. I also did my all of these start laying anywhere between 12 to 16 weeks. So some will take 6 months to lay. I want them sooner. But actually these dogs protect these chickens very well. But Zoe will mess with them. She likes to do that. But they're just babies now. She's never hurt one of them ever. And she's actually very, very protective and doesn't like any other birds flying down, getting anywhere close to them. So, pretty funny. And they're so cute. They're so cute. No. See, I like to pet them and love on them and get them used to you. Yeah. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. They're so funny. They're so funny. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, you guys can't come outside. It's time to go to bed. I'm going to shut the door. Time to go to bed. Okay? Okay? One of these barred rocks. They like to get really close to me. Hi, babies. No, no, no. No, stay here. Stay here. Come on. Come on. Okay. Good night, babies. Good night. Okay, we'll see you later. Talk to you later. Easter egger. This one's an Easter egger. Good They're so much fun. I am so excited for all of you who are going to end up getting chickens. Oh, one is stuck inside their grain bin. I'll have to get her out. Okay, get down. Get down. Oh, she's out. Those are leghorns, the white ones. Get down. Come on. Get down. So I do encourage you to play with them and hold them and hug them. They do love that. They love it.